All right, look what came in the mail today. A Breeo X Series 24-inch fire pit. It's the patina with the X airflow and the sear plate. So I'm gonna unbox this thing here and show you guys exactly what it is. Super pumped for this. Here we go. Nice packaging. Instructions. It says thank you Breeo. All right. It's got the sear plate. It's got the adapter for the grilling features. I did not get that with this one, but I might have to. You see the airflow, the X design there. This here is a blue steel, but it's after you use it, it will get a nice patina. Yeah. This thing is sweet. Take a closer look at it. Big sear plate, burgers, steaks, shrimp, scallops, whatever your heart desires. Tofu burgers, but yeah, not here. Awesome. I'll have to have a fire here soon to show you guys how it is. I had another 24-inch one and there was no smoke. Highly recommend these fire pits.